Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bittrex Exchange easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Bittrex Exchange account, start by visiting the official Bittrex website. Once there, locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure your password meets the site's security requirements. After entering your information, agree to the terms of service. Next, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Bittrex. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Bittrex website to log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will need to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using an app like Google Authenticator. Input the verification code provided by the app. Once you have completed this step, your account will be more secure. Now, proceed to complete your identity verification. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Select Identity Verification and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to provide personal information and upload necessary documents. After submitting your information, wait for Bittrex to review your application. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once verified, you will receive a notification from Bittrex. You can now deposit funds into your Bittrex account. Navigate to the Wallets section to find your deposit options. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. With funds in your account, you're now ready to trade. Explore the platform and start trading your favorite cryptocurrencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.